What up, y'all? I just got this Gardenline Tumbling Composter. I found it in the aisle of shame at Aldi.
Shame!
It was a good deal. Come on. So I'm gonna put this together. I've never really made compost before. I made compost last year by mistake because I was lazy and I didn't bag up a lot of my trimmings and everything, and I just left them in a pile, and then I found some compost at the bottom of that pile this year, so that was cool. Alright, so I'm going to take this apart and we can see what's going on. So the first step to setting this up is adding the mixing bars onto the center panels. Okay, so the next step is to put all the centerpieces together using connectors. Alright, now that we have all the centerpieces connected, we have to attach the door. Alright, so now we have the door installed and the basic cylinder constructed. Next, you're going to want to install the side panel by pushing it down onto the side of the cylinder. And next, we're going to insert the access rod into the tumbler. Just like that. Next, we're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and we're going to install the lock on the leg bar. Alright, next, we're going to install the legs. Bam, look at that, we're good to go.
Bam!
We got a new tumbling composter. It has nice little legs on it. It's got this little locking mechanism so you can keep it from tumbling. You just put it in one of the notches there and lift it up. Yeah, I can't wait to use it. You'll probably see her outside, her, female composter. They'll probably see her in my other gardening videos this summer, and we'll see how it goes. But so far, awesome find from Aldi Aisle of Shame, gotta say. Alright, peace y'all.